Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Unlimited and the Airdrop channel. Guys, I'm bringing a brand new airdrop for you, and this airdrop is the Sonic airdrop. So guys, Sonic is the first atomic SVM chain that's enabling gaming economies on Solana. So far you have seen an L2 on Ethereum, but this time it is actually an L2 on Solana blockchain. And if you are following the crypto for a while, you know that Solana is one of the biggest hyped blockchain and one of the most trending blockchain of the current time. So guys, what Sonic is doing, Sonic is basically improving the low cost on-chain gaming experience on Solana, which is also extremely fast, and it also offers seamless atomic interoperability with Solana's base layer and supports deploying dApps from EVM chains to Solana, so which is a fantastic use case. Also, as you can see that just recently last month they have raised a Series A round of 12 million, which was valuation at 100 million, and the lead investors are Bitcraft. But you can also see that there are some huge names here, OKX Ventures, as well as Sky9 Capital, Mirana, and so on. So guys, let's not waste time and let's get started with the Sonic airdrop. So let's go straight away. So guys, you will find all these links in the description below with the Sonic airdrop. So Sonic airdrop is basically called Sonic Odyssey. So first thing is you come up here, and then first thing you will need is Backpack wallet, which I will leave the link in the description below. Now listen to me very carefully. What you will have to do once you set up your Backpack wallet with the extensions and everything, you will have to go into the Backpack wallet and you will have to actually click on your wallet marker, and then from there click on the settings, and then you will have to go into the settings and turn on the developer mode, so which is very simple. And then when you come up here, you can actually connect your wallet here, and then what you need to do is you need to come up here in the faucet, and as you can see that I've copy pasted my Sonic wallet address here, and you just click on confirm airdrop. So what this one does, this one will give you one Sonic token, which is the testnet token, and once you receive the testnet token, which won't take too long, we can move ahead with our next step. So guys, just make sure that you also go into the Backpack wallet and confirm the airdrop as well, in order to actually receive your token. So the token can take a couple of seconds to receive. If it doesn't receive, then you will need to refresh the page. So as you can see that here, it's actually processing very slowly, but the airdrop is already successful as I have already received one Sonic token. So I'm just going to go and check into my Backpack wallet, and here you go guys, I have received one Sol, which is basically a testnet Sol. It is not a mainnet Sol, so just be mindful with that guys. It's the testnet Solana token. All right, and there you go guys. So that's all done. And then guys, this is what Sonic is also developing. As you can see, all the games that's actually coming with the Sonic Odyssey. As you can see, you can actually visit this page. I will leave the link in the description below. So guys, now here you come down and you go into the task center. So once you click on the task center, you will be able to see the tasks. Okay, so guys, there you go. So first thing, meet Sonic. What it says that you got to follow Sonic on social media to get the latest updates. So basically it's a 24-hour period. All you got to do is you just click on it, and basically it's actually going to connect with your social accounts. So guys, there you go. First one is the Meet Sonic. So there you go. It says click on the social button to link. So basically what you need to do is you need to follow the Sonic on the X, on basically Twitter, and all you gotta do is you just gotta connect your wallet. So there you go guys, you connect your wallet here, then you connect your wallet again to join Discord. So just to make sure that you actually join the Discord here, and those are the two tasks basically for the socials, which is Meet Sonic. The next one is the check-in. So guys, here you go. You can request a Sol first. As you can see, we have already done it for the testnet. So what you do here is you just got to click on check-in button to complete the task and automatically receive the corresponding reward. And if you miss a day, then your rewards will count the start over way. So here you go, guys. If you do it for 1 to 7 days, you get 1 ring mystery box. If you do it from between 8 to 14 days, so here you get 2 ring mystery box, and then 14 days onwards you get 3. So guys, please do not miss this airdrop, as Sonic has a confirmed airdrop, and Sonic has already mentioned this, that it will be a confirmed airdrop. So guys, as you can see here, I will be doing my first check-in, as I have not checked in yet, as I'm doing this airdrop with you. So what I am doing is, I already have requested an airdrop once, but I'm actually doing it again. You're just going to do this captcha thingy with Cloudflare and just confirm airdrop. So there you go, guys. I will have another Solana. I will have another Sol. And then what I will do is I will just do a check-in here, but I might need to refresh the page. So sometimes you will need to do this, guys, in order to actually connect your wallet. As you can see, I'm just connecting the wallet here. As Backpack Wallet, guys, one thing I've noticed is Backpack Wallet is extremely easy to use. It's super fast, it's super efficient. Sometimes you do run into this issue where your wallet won't connect. If it does happen, then you just need to make sure that you refresh the page in order to connect your wallet. So this has happened with me once before. But basically, guys, that's pretty much it. And then you can actually see the transaction milestones here. You can claim the reward manually. As you can see that I haven't not made any transactions today, as I'm trying to just connect my Backpack Wallet. At the moment, I'm just facing some errors. So I will try again. But guys, if you do face an error like this, do not be afraid. All you need to do is just refresh the page and you will be able to connect your Backpack Wallet. And that should be pretty much it. That should not be causing you any issues, shouldn't be causing you any troubles whatsoever. So guys, that's it for today. This is the Sonic airdrop, and what I will do is I will leave all the link in description below. Now, if you find this airdrop, if you find this video helpful, guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel if this is your first time on the channel. Also, check out the other airdrops that I have posted. Also, follow me on Twitter for latest updates and join the Telegram group so you can stay updated with every single airdrop. You don't miss out on anything. Thanks for watching the video, guys. That's it for this video. I will be back with the new airdrop video very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for all of your support. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.